Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Now, without wasting any further time, let us go straight to the charts of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, which is Great Britain pound versus US dollar, and in the end we are going to analyze euro versus US dollar for Monday market 29th of July. So let us not waste any further time and go straight to the charts. Okay, so when we were discussing the market previously on 22nd of July, market was trading over here for gold, and you guys can clearly see that we marked this area as our area of major resistance. But you guys can see that market did not touch our area of resistance and they continued its sideways momentum. And over here, market tested our area of resistance, closed below and then again went above our area of resistance. If we would have taken a risky entry over here, we would have hit a stop loss, and then market started to come down, and if we would have taken a short position from here, we would have made some very good profit. And then over here again market gave us an opportunity to buy. We would have hit a stop loss, and then again from here another stop loss, but from here we would have made some good profits till here, then again from here till here, and then again from here till here market gave us good opportunities of buying. So market has beautifully respected our area of resistance and our major area of support, and market is still trading in between our both marked areas. Okay, so now I will simply move forward these scenarios as both of these areas are still valid, and we are still bullish in this gold versus US dollar pair. So on 29th of July, we are going to look for more buying entries, and just keep an eye out and be vigilant from where to buy your next trade. It is my preference to stay on the buying side of the market because it seems that market will be going upwards as per the continuation of the trend. Okay, market has changed its structure, and market is hopefully going to give us some um, scenarios of buying. Okay, so I have moved forward the scenarios accordingly. So now let us move to the next chart, which is the GBP USD chart from where we left off. And quite similarly, market has behaved in a similar manner. We were looking for some buying scenarios. So from here, if we would have taken a buying entry, we would have made some profit. From here again, we would have made some profit. From here again, we would have made some good profits, and then from here some more profit. And then this market was very much sideways, and we would have definitely made some good profits from here as well. We could have taken and made some good profit, and then the very beautiful entry was available over here when market tested our area of support and continued to go up. So till here we could have made a very good profit as well. So overall in this GBP USD pair as well, market gave us very amazing opportunities to buy. So for 29th of July, once again, we are bullish in this GBP USD pair, and you guys can clearly see that market is going to give us some good opportunities of buying in the coming week as well on the 29th of July and onwards. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask us in the comment section. Okay, so it is something like this. Market is trading over here. Yes. Okay, so that's all for today for the GBP USD pair. I hope you guys will be making some good profits in the coming week as well. So now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair from where we left off previously. So you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing previously, market was trading over here. So market closed above. So over here we could have taken an entry, maybe a stop loss over here. Then again, we could have taken another entry, once again another stop loss, and then again, let me zoom in a little bit. From here, if we would have taken an entry, some good profits over here. Again, if we would have taken an entry here, some good profits still here, and from here as well, good profits. And then again, market continued to go down. From here, we could have taken a buying entry, maybe a break even for on this trade. Then over here, market gave us a very good opportunity. Till here, we could have made some good profits. Then from here again we could have made a profit till here, and then again from here we could have taken an entry at this point and made a profit till here. And market gave us several more opportunities, and the most beautiful opportunities occurred approximately at this point. From here till here, these were amazing profit, and over here as well, this was an amazing entry from this point till here. Okay, so overall, Euro USD would have given us very good opportunities for buying, and still market is sideways and within our zone of buying. Okay, so let me just simply move forward these scenarios for you guys. So if you guys have any confusion, you guys can continue to make some good profit in this Euro USD pair, and we are always here to help and support you guys as much as possible. So just be vigilant out there, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so I have moved forward all the trades accordingly, and that's all for today for the Euro USD. I hope I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.